So why pre-approval is a game changer for homeowners. If you're planning to buy a home this year, you might have heard that pre-approval is a necessary step to take before starting out on your journey. But why is that? And is it still important in today's shifting market? The truth is, getting a pre-approval letter from your lender is critical. When it comes to your home search, it can be a game changer in so many ways. To better understand why it's important to know what pre-approval is, Freddie Mac defines the process like this. A pre-approval is an indication from your lender that are willing to lend you a certain amount of money to buy your future home. The lender you work with provide you with a pre-approval letter, which is an official document that states the maximum amount that they are willing to lend you. Pre-approval from a lender helps you understand your true price range and how much money you can borrow for your loan. That can make it easier when you set out to search for homes. Since you'll know what you're approved for, it also helps, once it's time to submit an offer on the home of your dreams. Another added benefit is that pre-approval lets the seller know that you're qualified to buy their house. The editor of Mortgage Reports explains most sellers won't even consider an offer unless the buyer is pre-approved at the right price point. So sellers and their agents want to know that you're ready and able to finance your offer amount. So you want to have your pre-approved letter up and ready as soon as possible. Every advantage you can gain as a buyer is crucial in a market that's constantly changing. You're going to need guidance to navigate these waters, so it's important to have a team of professionals such as a real estate advisor and trusted lender on your side. They'll help make sure you're ready to put your best foot forward. Bottom line is, getting pre-approved for a mortgage helps you better understand what you can borrow and show sellers you're serious about purchasing their home. Let's connect so that you have the tools to succeed as a homeowner in today's shifting market. So text me, call me, DM me, I'm here to help.